Hey guys, if you're trying to install Roblox on your Windows PC but keep running into errors, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and safest way to install Roblox without any problems. Alright, first things first, open up your browser and go to Google. Now just type in Roblox download and press enter. You'll see a bunch of results, but make sure you click the very first link from roblox.com. This is super important, so you don't accidentally download anything unsafe. Once you're on the official Roblox website, look for a big blue button that says Download Windows App. Go ahead and click that to start downloading. Quick tip, try not to use the Microsoft Store version. It can sometimes cause login issues. When the download is finished, open the file and double-click the setup. Roblox will start installing automatically, and it usually only takes a few seconds. After that, just open Roblox and log into your account like you normally would. If you're on a new PC, you might be asked for a verification code. Just check your email, copy the code, and paste it in, and that's it. Super easy, right? Now you're ready to jump in and start playing Roblox with your friends. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.